All right, we're going to show you today a simple formula how to make gas for under $1 to run in your automobiles. Now, if you got one of these high performance automobiles like muscle cars or whatever, you know how the gas they make, you buy at the gas station and stuff, it's weak, and a lot of times it'll make your motor shake and do all kind of noises and stuff. But it's simple to make gas. It's 98 octane. Simple for under $1. So just bear with me. Okay? All you got to do, take a trip to Walmart. You go to Walmart. Everybody knows where Walmart is. It's not hard to find. About every town has a Walmart store. Go back in the can department and get you some great value chili.
That's the main ingredient.
That's the main ingredients. And this is under $1, usually 89 cents a can usually. And nowadays, gas is $3 or more a gallon. But for 89 cents, okay, you eat this whole can of chili. And I guarantee that'll give you 98% octane, because if that don't give you the farts, well, nothing. And if you want a bear fire, if it's high enough octane, if you think, well, how do you know that's 98%? If you got an old lady, a girlfriend or something that's could take her to bed and cover her head up, and if she gets something beats the hell out of you, you must have hit the spot. All right, we thank you for watching. That's how to make
gasoline at home.
Like gasoline at home for under $1. And so that is our new business at Maple Syrup Motors for all our high-performance automobiles. Thank you for watching, you boo.
And all you do is take the toilet water and you put it in this bottle here. You dilute it and strain it, put it in the car, and go to town.
Yeah, but how to get the gas in that is stick it up your ass and then put the chuck in it and do the same
Crazy
thing.
Ray's Garage, yeah.